Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to set location in Citymapper. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Citymapper application. You can see over here Citymapper application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options like get me somewhere, get me home over here. So if you want to set the location, for that what you have to do is tap on this option, get me somewhere. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to set the start location over here. What you have to do is simply type in the location over here. After you type in the location, you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to set the end location. Simply tap on the option where to. Now what you have to do is simply type in the location over here. Or instead of that, you can also choose your home or work if you want. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here your start and end location will be set and you'll be able to see the map over here. So like this, you'll be able to set the location. So that is how you set location on Citymapper. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.